Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy an iPhone with Sweatcoins. To buy an iPhone with Sweatcoins, you can use the Sweatcoin marketplace to purchase the product, then complete the purchase on the brand's website. First, find an offer for an iPhone in the Sweatcoin marketplace. Then click the offer to learn more. Then read the offer description to see if it's paid for entirely in Sweetcoins or if there's an additional payment required. Swipe the buy button to purchase with Sweetcoins if you're confirmed to purchase this product. Then a purchase receipt will be sent with instruction on how to complete the purchase on the brand's website. Finalize the purchase on the brand's website, including adding any required card information. That's how you can buy iPhone from Sweetcoins. But remember that you must need to find out the deal that available in Sweetcoins shop for you can purchase an iPhone with your Sweetcoins. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.